Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys an unboxing of Paparazzi. Like it, and I will be obviously sharing with you guys a few things that I got that are my favorite. So starting off, they put this paper right over your jewelry. I don't throw away these because I like to put them on my desk to be able to put some pieces here, some that are darker pieces. This will help lighten it up for photos or videos, so keep that in mind. You don't have to keep all of them, but some will be good. First piece comes with these little chain earrings, and then it's nice and long, and on the bottom it has these sparkly circles and then more of that chain accent on the bottom. The other side has some flower decorations on it. Second piece, and these beautiful white marble earrings, long necklace as well. All the ones I ordered pretty much are long this time. So white marble on each of the rocks. Third piece, red earrings, and then red rocks. Fourth pair, green earrings, and then it has a green pearl with some chains on it. Aren't these super cute? Green pearls and then that green big pearl on the bottom. So cute. Next one. These are blue crystal earrings. Oops. And then it comes with this blue crystal pendant. I don't know if you guys can see that, but these are navy blue crystals on them. Maybe if the light shines on them. Pair of earrings. Pair of earrings. These are glittery. They have a blue, copper, greenish tone to it. Next is a beautiful ring, and they all come with these. It's a stretchy string, so one size fits all. This is what it looks like. It's nice and pretty. This is what the back looks like. This is just basically their brown rocks on them. White pearls, gold chain, and then a big white pearl on the bottom with some gold chains on them. So pretty. This is just like the green one except white. Next is a ring, white marble rock, same on the back. So pretty. This one could go paired very well with this one. This is a good combo. Next is a ring, a beautiful ring. Ain't that so pretty? Look at that. These are like the brown cat eye rocks that shine. So pretty. Okay, and last but not least, I got this beautiful yellow bangle bracelet. Look at that. Ain't that so pretty? I can tighten it, loosen it. So pretty. I love it. This one is also Paparazzi. This one can get longer, but I wanted it a little tugged, so you can decide if you want to loosen it up more or tighten it up. Comes with these beautiful earrings. You can see them. Love them. Love, love, love. Well, I also got this bracelet, this bangle bracelet. It is like an orange marble. Just goes on like this, and you tighten it up if you have a smaller wrist like me. This is what it looks like. It is super pretty. Now let's talk about my favorite thing that Paparazzi sends you when you enroll with them. Is this. This, I cannot give it enough credit. Just not so much the box. I mean, you can get the box anywhere, yes, but they send you this, the backup with these. So for those of you who have kids like I do, little ones who love pulling on your necklace, on your earrings, on your rings, now you have backup to be able to fix it. So you don't have to worry about, oh man, it popped. You can fix it within seconds. Or you need the parts for the earrings. You can fix it in seconds. I love this because most people pop their chains, earrings, and they're like, oh man, I won't be able to reorder it because they don't have it in stock. So let's just put it on the side and then never wear it again. That will help you. Love, love, love. So yes, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys liked this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and I'm gonna leave the link down below if you guys want to purchase any of these pieces, or if you just want to look through the page. They have a ton of accessories to pick from. And I will also leave the link to my Facebook page where I actually show videos or pictures, or I give giveaways, just because you guys are awesome. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and leave a comment below letting me know that you're new so I can check out your pages. I would love to see you guys supporting each other. I really believe in that. So